Congratulations on purchasing the most versatile waste and recycling container system that will help you achieve your diversion goals. The Waste Watcher series is now even easier to set up with our innovative snap-together sign frames and body connectors. This video will provide you with a step-by-step process for setting up your new Waste Watcher series station. Let's get started. Start by arranging the bodies in the order you want them in, positioned side by side in front of your desired location. If you've purchased colored bodies or varying sizes of containers, keep that in mind when arranging their order. Also, along the top rim on the short side, there are two snap-in slots that will be used for sign frames. These slots will need to be positioned on the back against the wall. Using the easy-to-install body connectors will make your Waste Watcher containers a completely unified system. With the bodies in position, simply place the connector under the top rims between the two bodies you are connecting, directly below the snap-in slots. To engage the connector, push up while holding the bodies down until you hear the click on each snap-in slot. Install the remaining connectors using the same method. Signage is the perfect way to optimize your stream visibility. Start by snapping on the sign frame mounting block to the body. Position the block under the back rim of the body, aligning with the two snap-in slots. Push up on the block while holding down on the body until you hear the click on each snap-in slot. You can now install the sign frame onto the mounting block by aligning the bottom tabs with the slots on the block and pushing down on the sign frame until they snap in place. Next, you can install your stock or custom sign with the included clear protective sheet placed directly on top by sliding them down into the slot along the top edge of the frame until they reach the bottom. That's it, your first sign frame is installed, and you can install your other sign frames following these same steps. If you are using bags in your Waste Watcher containers, place them into the bodies now and tie them off to keep them tight and in position. Once the bags are installed, you can now place your lids on the bodies with the recessed label areas facing the front. Now it's time to apply your stock or custom lid labels. Make sure the label area is clean and free of any dust or dirt, and, if necessary, wipe the area clean. When you are ready, peel the label off the backing paper and align it within the recessed label area, holding it slightly above the surface. Starting along the top edge and using a flat object such as a squeegee or credit card, stick down the label, making sure to apply even pressure as you move down towards the bottom, pushing out any air bubbles as you go. To ensure your labels are fully adhered to the lid, go over the entire label with your application tool, smoothing out any areas that may need extra pressure. Follow the same method to apply your other lid labels. Your new Waste Watcher station is now fully assembled and can be moved into its final position for use. For care and maintenance of your containers, wipe them down regularly with a clean, dry cloth, or add soap and water to wipe down areas that become soiled. If necessary, and for a thorough cleaning, you can use a hose or pressure washer to clean these containers. If you ever need to disassemble your Waste Watcher station, start by removing all container lids and bags. To disconnect the body connectors, locate the tabs on the top rim within each snap-in slot where connectors are placed. While holding onto the connector with one hand, use your other hand to push the tabs towards the inside of each body while applying downward pressure. This will disengage the tab from each body, and you will be able to pull the connector down and off the bodies. Follow this same process for the remaining connectors. To remove the sign frame and mounting block, locate the tabs within the snap-in slots on the top rim of the body directly in front of the sign frame. With one hand holding the sign frame assembly, push these tabs towards the inside of the body and apply downward pressure to disengage each tab from the body. You can now pull the sign frame and mounting block assembly down and away from the body. If you also need to separate the sign frame from the mounting block, locate the tabs from the sign frame that connect to the mounting block. These are located on the bottom inside the mounting block. Apply pressure to these tabs, pushing towards the back of the block while also pushing down to disengage them both. You can now pull the sign frame away from the mounting block. Your Waste Watcher station is now fully disassembled and ready to move. Busch Systems goes beyond the bin to help you build a top-notch recycling and waste collection program. Contact your sales representative today to learn more and see how our team can help you exceed your diversion goals.